works for a company, GTI Properties. It's located in Boston on St. Botolph Street. He takes care of 19 buildings.
19 buildings?
Yep, that's correct. And there's over 300 apartments. And there's a couple of commercial spaces too. And he's very reliable. For example, I had an emergency over on the weekend on Saturday, and I gave him a call, and he came right out, took care of it. It was a broken water heater, very reliable, steam cleaned the guy's carpet, the tenant had no problems, and that's what we like over here at GTI. I would recommend Boston Quality Cleaning. I'm Mark Murphy, and I put my word behind it.
Wow.
It's very reliable. I like GTI.
Wow. Thank you so much, Mark. Appreciate it.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Boston Quality Cleaning Services has provided Modernista exceptional service for over 2 years. All of our expectations are always met. Our workspace is very old with all hardwood floors and many white walls, and we occupy 3 floors, which covers a large space, 22,400 square feet. This is no small feat, but Boston Quality Cleaning Services has managed the job with ease and professionalism. They're friendly, easy to work with, discreet, trustworthy. They have honest suggestions, are always efficient, timely, accommodating, and extremely flexible so as to meet our needs. I would recommend them to any company that requires personalized and friendly service. Sincerely, Lisa Mullaney, Office Manager, Modernista.